Hey gang, welcome back to another video here at Joe Daddy's Workshop. If you've seen any of my other videos, I have done reviews on different products or tools that I've used, and also some other oddball things that I've worked on. In one of my videos, I showed a Kobalt 40 volt max cordless weed eater, battery operated weed eater. And that thing has done a great job. I'm very happy with it. I know I had one of the viewers ask about respooling the cutting line, and I haven't had to do that just yet, but I hope to have a video on that soon. Maybe there's an easier way to do it, I don't know, but I know he was having some trouble with respooling his. So I went to Lowe's today, and I was interested in buying a leaf blower. And I kind of wanted to do the 40 volt max leaf blower, that way I would have matching batteries, another charger, and that sort of thing. Well, when I got there, they didn't have any on display. And so I started looking online on my phone, and it said it's not available anymore. So I don't know if they just discontinued it, I have no idea. As I was walking around, I came across this, which is a 24 volt brushless leaf blower. And you can see it's pretty small. The box is pretty small. And list price was $139. But they had a display where they had either you could buy this, or you could buy a screwdriver or drill driver combo, or a tool bag full of tools for $99. Well, I support Lowe's because they support veterans, and when I went to buy this, at the time they were like, well, wait a minute, this is showing $139, and I pointed out that it's $99. They honored that, and it's an active, I guess it's an active sale. And of course, being a veteran, I get 10% off of that as well. So basically, I got this brand new for $89. Now, I haven't opened this yet, and I'm going to. And I want to see what all this has to offer. So let's open it up. That's a pretty good size duct. There's the battery charger. Nice little charger. The blower itself, and it says right on a tag that there are 30 plus tools that use this battery setup. Battery, and of course the instructions. So let's have a look. Obviously the tube is going to go on the front, and it's really just a matter of lining it up, locking it in, and you can see it matches the shape here. Pretty simple. The trigger. And then the trigger lock is actually a lock to keep it on, so you don't have to keep squeezing it. So that's kind of convenient. And then it says a hanging hook, and that's right here. So if you had like a screw or a nail or something like that, you could probably hang this on in your shop or storage area. And here in the assembly instructions, it talks about how you mount the battery. That should be pretty self-evident, but I'll show you that as well. And really it's just a matter of lining it up, and you can see it locks. There's little detents here that hold it onto the blower. So you squeeze those, and that's how you take it back off. Pretty simple. Here's the manual for the battery charger, and same thing, it's just going to slide in. There's an indicator here that shows you if it's charging, whether it's dead, different indications for the status of the battery. So green is an LED charge indicator, red is LED charge indicator, and it says you need to charge the battery for 70 minutes prior to actually using it. And here's the manual for the battery, extended run lithium ion, battery release buttons as I mentioned, power indicator button, and really That's just a matter of pressing this button right here, and you can see there's 2 green bars, so it's about half charged. And of course your basic electrical contacts and that sort of thing, which is pretty obvious. Further on in the back here, it talks about what percentages you have based on the indicators. So 4 lights would be 80 to 100%, 3 lights would be 60 to 70, 9%, and then so on and so forth. So you can see that. Connecting the battery, of course, and then it goes into a foreign language. So I'll plug in the charger, and you can see you get a red and green indicator there, and I'll connect the battery. Slide it all the way in, and there you can hopefully see the green indicator that it is charging. So I'll let this charge, and then we'll have a look and see how well it does. Just an observation. Of course, you got a green indicator light here, and you wouldn't normally see this, but I turned it over just to see, and it's showing it actually going through and lighting up each one of the little bars on the battery indicator as well. So this can be attached to the wall. As you can see, it's got some slots here, and I'm not sure what this extra little tab is for here in the middle, but you can sit on your bench on these little stops, or it can have, you know, a wall mount. But either way, you wouldn't see that would hang on the wall. Well, it would hang on the wall like that. So you really wouldn't see those little lights blinking, but they are. Might even be worth it to clean out my shop. So that'll be the end of this video on this Kobalt 24 volt brushless blower. I think it did a good job, and even if I just use it to blow out my shop occasionally, that'll be a benefit for me. But more than likely, I'll be using it to blow off the sidewalk and the driveway once I finish mowing. So yeah, I give it 2 thumbs up. And I may even look into getting other products that share this battery or this system. And if I do, I'll do a review on it, let you know what I think. But at this point, I'm happy with this. So Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Hit that little bell button, get notifications. And if you would, share the channel, give a thumbs up. Everything that you can do to help me grow this channel and make it bigger. And that's my goal. So until next time, take care of yourselves. If you saw my other video I did on the cordless Kobalt weed eater, you may have recognized that I have a no. Hey gang, welcome back. In a previous video I did a review on a Kobalt wireless. That. But I fit. So that'll be the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. If nothing else, maybe entertaining. Could be.